Hi friends, here is a basic problem. D is a recurring decimal of the form 0.A1A2, A1A2, A1A2, A1A2. This A1A2 is actually repeating, where A1 and A2 lie between 0 and 9. These are two digits only. Which number produces an integer when multiplied by D? Right. So when D is like this, A1, A2, A1, A2. Let's say for simplicity, D is something like 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 0.12 is repeating. Then what is 100 D? 100 is 12 point. This 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2 repeating. If you subtract this first equation from the second equation, 100 minus this 99D. And this all will cancel, right? 12.12, 12, 12, 12, 12, all this will cancel. This minus 0.12, will be left with 12. What does that mean? D equals 12 by 99. Right. What does that mean? If instead of 1, 2, we have A1, A2, then D is A1, A2 by 99. What does that mean? What does it mean? 99D. Right. If you do the cross multiplication, 99D is always an integer. What is that integer? 99D is A1, A2. Right. Similarly, 99D or any multiple of 99. For example, 198D will be 2 times of A1 and A2, A1, A2, whatever is this number. Please note this infinite series representation of numbers. For example, if D is 0.99999 and of forever, right? Then that means D is actually 1. If this is another way of representing 1, 0.9999 up to infinite. If you stop somewhere, then it will not become 1. But if this is forever, then D actually means 1. Why? Because 10D equals 9.9999 forever. Right. D equals 0.9999 forever. So 10D minus D, which is 9D equals this whatever the second one minus first one is 9. So D equals 9 by 9, which is actually equal to 1. This is very important, this concept that D, when it is 0.999 forever, that actually means D equals 1. Right. Please don't have this confusion. But if it stops somewhere, let's say even if this continuation, this nines, they are stopping at let's say even 100 billion nines or 1000 billion nines, then also it doesn't matter. Then D is not equal to 1. Let's say, just for simplicity, this D is stopping at 3 nines. 3 nines only. Then what does that mean? D is then 999 by 1000. If it is stopping at 2 nines, then it means it is 99 by 100. 99 by 100 is not equal to 1. Similarly, 999 by 1000 is also not equal to 1. 99 by 100 is less than 1. Right. Similarly, 999 by 1000 is also less than 1. So when D is stopping at whatever number of nines, that means that is still less than 1. But when it is not stopping, it is not stopping forever, then that means that is equal to 1. Right. 0.999 forever is equal to 1. If it is stopping at any point, then that means that is less than 1. Likewise, like this. Right. 1 minus D, then in this case 1 minus 3 will be some number that is 1 by 1000. Right. Here it will be 1 by 100. Right. Please understand this notation. This is actually very important. This is decimal way of representing fractions or rational numbers. Right, guys? Thank you.